Here's a new 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Behind the wheel of the Giulia, you experience the conversion of engineering and emotion. This world-class sports sedan delivers fun-loving driving dynamics showcased in undeniably hot-blooded package. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, touring suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. The boldly innovative Alfa Romeo. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Contact Jim Ellis Mazda of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located at 5855 Peachtree Industrial Boulevard.